What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna cover a quick recap on Tuesday's session, and we're gonna go into Wednesday's game plan. Guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. Wednesday, we got ADP employment, 8:30 employment cost index, 10 o'clock pending home sales, and man, all eyes at 2:30, Fed Chair Powell. Guys, the market is gonna go crazy around that time. Get out of your plays before that nonsense go down, because this will smoke your play. You don't want that right there. Wait till after he get done talking. Let's get a clear direction of the market, and then we'll get in there and we'll make that money. Just have patience, have patience. Let's clear the Fed Powell nonsense. Then we'll dive in. All right, we're going to jump into our first ticker, and this is for the newbies, the beginners that's not wanting to spend that big money on those big tickers, and you can make that money with Palantir. Right out of the gate, they had that big up movement. Guys, if you followed my announcement plays, you jumped into the puts at 27.10. We're sitting at 27.45. It didn't break that, and you see, we got smacked. Boom. We sitting at 27.22. We went back up, came down. Boom. We sitting almost at my get into the play at. We at 27.15. We come down again. Boom. That broke it. 27.10. That's the break. That's the hold. This is where you get in. Negative. Green candle, that is invalid. We are not getting in at that play right there. Didn't confirm the 3 candle process. We ain't getting in it. We come down a little bit, we don't care. It didn't confirm us, we ain't getting into that play. And you see the next play. Boom, went right back up. It's still at our put area. We get this next red candle. Boom, that's the break. That's the hold. I'm jumping into puts right here. Boom. It went back up, but it held that 9 EMA. I'm staying in my puts. Boom. Now you can cash out right there, or I like to use some confluences with the EMAs. I'll usually tend to see what it's going to do around the 9 EMA. And if I'm still being a little greedy, if it broke the 9 EMA, I'm still staying in. I'm going to wait to see if it breaks the 20. If it don't break the 20, I'm staying in. But most cases, it stay with the 9 EMA. Went back up. Now, I'd have probably got out on that candle right there. I see 1 green candle, 2 green candles, 3 green candles. That broke through it. If you want to be greedy, you let it chop back up. And now it's going through your 20, you get out. It's time to get out of this play right here. We done ran it down low enough. No sense of playing around with it no more. We ate good. Peace out. You got to know when to divorce a play. Stop overstaying your welcome. That's how you look sad at the end of the day. Man, I was up $700 and I didn't cash out and end up taking a loss on it, taking a $200 loss. Man, that's a $900 swing. It's no sense of that. Learn how to cash out. Learn how to take profits. Hit the sell button. Once you hit the sell button, you'll feel a lot better. Trust me. Been there, done that. But tomorrow in Palantir, if you're a bull, you want to see they can start taking out 26.50. They can start running up higher. On the downside, you want to see chef level at 26.20 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to come back to test this low right here, 25.88. They can start falling back down to my level down here at 25.55. Next ticker for you newbies out there, we gonna do TSLL, another ticker that paid if you took my plays. Guys, I'm out here breaking down these TA plays for you, and I'm trying to put it so clean to where it's easy for you to see it. You just gotta follow the process. Be patient. Patience is the biggest thing of it all. As soon as it hit the level, you wanna jump into that play. Man, no, that's what Wall Street is tricking you into doing. They tricking you to jump into a bad play. And as soon as you jump into that bad play, they pull that rug off from up under you. Hey, guys, have you ever thought about it? Man, how come every time you hit that call button, it's been surging the whole time, all of a sudden it turns red? Or soon as you buy the put, it's been dropping all day. And soon as you buy that put, it turns around and go back up. Wall Street playing games because they know most of the people that's in the market don't have patience. You got to be smarter than them. Them guys are millionaires, billionaires. They love taking our change. They ain't getting mine, and I'm trying to teach you guys to not give them yours either. Stay patient. All right, back to the charts. What they did right at opening, sitting at 1190 for calls, 1160 for puts. Right out of the gate, 1190. They couldn't break it. Bears got smacked. Boom. Well, Bulls got smacked. Bears smacked them right back down. And we tested all the way down to 1130. My puts is at 1160, but we wouldn't have gotten any of these plays right here because it's no confirmation in here. They hit this low right here and they boomed it right back up top to 1180. I got calls at 1190. They tried it, but they failed. Again, puts at 1160. Watch what we do. Boom, we get the drop. We sitting at 1168. We get another drop. We sitting at 1160 now. We ain't getting in puts because we ain't got no confirmation. This next one, it ran up. It started green. It ran up, but then it ran back down. This candle got us to where? 1160. What happened? That's the break. That's the hold. Boom. This is your entry. That 200 EMA, I knew coming down. And as you see, boom, we ride in that 9 EMA, that yellow line, we drop down to 1060. You made money if you took those plays. Guys, for tomorrow, if you thinking about jumping into this play, what you want to see if you're a bull, you want to see 1105 get taken out. They start taking out 1105, they can start running up to the next chef level. We got 1150 tests before the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see level at 1060 get taken out. They can take out 1060. They got some room to run down here. I'm going to give you guys one more ticker for you newbies and beginners that's trying to make a little bit of money without breaking the bank. Let me throw HUT at y'all. And HUT was another banger. If you followed my plays and the announcements, then you know these were dynamite call outs. If you took them, you made money on it. If you followed the process, you made money on it. And as you see, I had HUT puts at 1480. I had the calls at 1505. They shot. They went to 1505. There's no confirmation. We are not getting in calls. They got smacked. Boom. 1480. That's where I had my puts at, but we ain't getting in there because we touched 1480. You see what happened next? Boom. They tried to run back up. They got rejected. Boom. We still ain't getting into that play right there. It ain't no confirmation. That next candle is green. That kills our thoughts. Chop for a little bit. We got the break, the hold, the entry. Boom. We sitting down here. Come back up. They broke the 9. It's time to get out of the play. And even more confluence here with the 20 break. It's time to get out of that play. Run back down. They chopped right here. They came down again. Boom. Chop for the rest of the way out. They end up closing at 1396. So if you're going to play HUT, I want to see 1425 get taken out. And to the downside, if you're a bear, I want to see 1390 get taken out. They can take out that. They got room to run down. All right, guys, newbies, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up on your portion of it. You big rollers that want to play that big money, let's go ahead and see what SPY gave us for today. SPY gave us some love today. Right out of the gate, SPY boomed it. Boom. 547.34. I had 546.20 and 545.20 on the downside. And as you see, they took it right to VWAP right out of the gate. Boom. Ran back up green. So now we sitting at 545.75. I say puts at 545.20. That's the entry. That's the hold. That's the boom. We riding this thing. And if you want to be greedy, it's still haven't tested the 9. We still up under the 9 EMA. We still making money. Boom. We came all the way down to 538.54 before they boomed it back up to 542. They chopped here and then they ran it back up. On power hour, they got a little drop. If you are a bull, you want to see SPY take out 543.50. They can start taking out that level, they can go higher. And if you a scalper and you want to get in a little bit before that, I wouldn't jump until 542.75 get taken out. They can take out 542.75, then they'll take it to that next level to 543.80. If you are a bear, I want to see 540.90 get taken out first. They can take out that, they're going to come back down to my level at 539.75. They break that, they're going to run it to 538.55. Then you got 537.65, and we'll handle in real time once they get through this turbulence, because they get through that right there, man, sayonara SPY. SPY coming down to some low numbers. Let's see what Tesla did for us right out of the gate. Boom. But then they got smacked. They chopped for a little bit. They ran it back to 231.80, and check this out. That's the candle right there. You hit VWAP right there, and I play a lot of my plays off the VWAP rejection. We tested the VWAP. They got up under the VWAP. That's the break. That's the hold. I'm getting into puts. Boom, and even more. That white line, it's the 200. They failed the 200. They stayed under the 200. That's my confirmation. I am ready to eat. I got my spoon, my fork, my knife, and I got my dinner plate. We ready to eat. All I need is the salt and pepper now. You know what I'm saying? But we start breaking down. Boom. Look at that. We get to 220.26, and they run that thing back up a little bit. And then right during power hour, we chop down here, and they tried to get a little pop. They end up finishing out with 222.59. So in Tesla, shout out to everybody that caught that put run down and made money. Champagne glasses in the air for you guys. For tomorrow, what I want to see, if you are a bull, I want to see levels at 224.20 get taken out. They can take out 224. They're going to run it up to my next level to 225.95. You got another shelf level at 28.48, and they break there. They're going to run it up to my next level at 231. If you are a bear, I want to see my level at 220.05 get taken out. They take that out. They run into my next level at 218.80, and then I have another level at 215.90, and they lose that. Man, if we going on a little trip to the downside, we'll handle all that in real time if that so happen to play out like that. But again, guys, you're not jumping in the first red candle you see. You're not jumping in the first green candle you see. You waiting for confirmation. If you don't get confirmation, so what? You don't get into play. You do nothing. You ride the sidelines. It's okay to ride the sidelines. You keep money in your pocket riding the sidelines. So, all right, guys, I'm not going to take any more of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, AMD, Tesla, Palantir, go ahead and tap into our Discord. Link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.